Right, Friday night. Friday night was an idea that we've been talking a lot about that I had a while ago, thought about it, and this is the process that I went through to get it online. It wasn't a hard thing to do, but I wanted to see what I could utilise for free, what was out there already online that I could utilise to get my business online and potentially make some money from it. So what is Friday Night? The idea behind it is an event site. It holds events. What are you doing on the weekend? I want to do this, or I don't know what I want to do. I need to be told what I want to do this weekend. As the next slide will show, your weekend starts here. So the idea was to hold the events. A newsletter comes out during the day Friday, so you can see what's going on, you can share it with your friends, and you can organise not only your Friday night, but the rest of your weekend on your Friday night. There's already a website out there that does a great job. It's council run, and there's a lot of content on there, and it kind of bombards you. What I wanted to do was make something that was community-based, so people could get on there and they could run their own events. They could post them for free and get all their tiny little ideas out there. Stuff that you wouldn't see on the big websites like garage sales and billy cart derbies and gallery openings. And regional stuff as well, you know, stuff that's closer to Brisbane that you probably wouldn't see on a Brisbane-based website. So the platform that I used for the actual website was WordPress. It's a great resource, it's free. You need to know a little bit of the back end, and this is a learning process. I'm a graphic designer by trade and had to learn a lot about programming and PHP and bits and pieces to get the thing working, but it was free. I know you're saying that, you know, my time costs money, but that aside, the capital was very minimal. I set it up so people could go in there, they could register, and they could take 5 steps to put their event online for free. As I went through the process, learnt a few things, it was becoming difficult. People didn't really know how to use it. So the next step was to build a form that would just would shoot it through to me, and I would put it up. Again, the solution to that problem was another free plugin that I found on WordPress. Anything that you want to do on your WordPress site, there's always a plugin built for it. And you know, sometimes they don't work, but you can tweak them, you can hack them a little bit and get them working. If not, find another one. The next form of communication was the e-newsletter. I started off with PHP List, which had its problems. I then moved to MailChimp, which has a free solution they had just brought in. So under 500 users, you don't pay. Then you move up to $15 a month, then $30 a month. So cost minimal. Great interface. I can do all my editing online. I don't need an external client. And it has built-in templates. It's really good. It's really good for people that don't know a lot about their web apps or their coding. They can just get in there and build from an interface. It's really great. Then we started utilising Facebook and Twitter, all the social media. It's just there and it's easy to use, and heaps of followers. People want this free information. They don't want to go and look for it. They want it given to them, and this is perfect. So then we get into the making money part of it, which where we've trialled OpenX, which is an ad server that you host, free again. A little bit tricky to use, but it serves my ads for nothing. So it does everything for the timing, the costs, the kind of campaign you want. It does a lot, and again, free. So that's my little equation. Open source equals free, but a lot of hard work. And at the start of this project, having not really that much experience with the online space, utilising what was out there, there's a product online. So thanks a lot, and good luck with your ideas.